Alright guys, so today we're here and we're gonna unbox the new iPhone that Apple released. And so this is the box, as you can see. Pretty standard stuff. Comes with the charger. Alright, let's get into it. So got this shit. This knife is not very sharp, so I'm kind of struggling a little bit. Yeah, shitty knives. Alright guys, so here we have it. Comes with the manual and shit. Here you can see the model, the new iPhone. Yeah. So this is how it looks. I suppose this is how, like, what? Yeah, I don't know what that is. Charger, some kind of adapter. Yeah, let's see. So another thing here. Let's see what this is. I don't know what this is. Instruction manual probably. Right, so this is how it looks. This is how the back looks. Let me see. Let me show you. There's a thing here. This is where you charge it, I suppose. I don't know what that is. Battery comes here. Chargeable battery, of course. And yeah, that's basically it. Like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Later.